Hi folks, I thought it might be a good introduction to start with a webcam embedded in a screencast to say hello and welcome to the course. Over the next 4 weeks we'll be spending time developing screencasts, publishing them, and then promoting them. We'll look at developing online tutorials for patron and staff instruction as another addition to our tool set of instruction. So let's just do a quick overview of what we're going to cover over the next 4 weeks. This first week, we're going to concentrate on planning. What do we need to know in terms of script writing, screen capture? How do we create a storyboard for the content we want to produce in our tutorial? So that planning phase is really important, picking the right topic that's going to be on target for your community, whether it be your patrons, your users, your staff. And then we'll look at how you can outline and organize that in a template form so that you're ready to quickly spend time producing that screencast. In week 2, we'll look at creation tools. The one I'm using right now is Screencast-O-Matic, which allows you to embed a webcam. I'm not really advocating that practice because I'm not sure it brings much to the table. I apologize that you all have to look at me talking through this screencast, but I wanted you to see my face so we could get to know each other a little bit better. So we'll look at these free tools. We'll produce some screencasts in an easy format using several free tools. After we get our feet on the ground and start producing some of these screencasts, we'll then publish them to the web because of course they have to be accessible for people to be able to find them and access them. So we'll look at the embed codes required and some hosting options, whether it's YouTube, your own library server, or screencast.com. Those are just some of the options available for hosting your online tutorials that you create. And finally, our last week, we're going to look at how we leverage our tutorials. How do we get people to use them? How do we measure their effectiveness? At what time should they be retired or reproduced, etc. So those are the topics for the next 4 weeks. I know we'll be experimenting a lot. I want this to be very interactive, experimental. We've got a large crowd, but I know I'll be learning from you, so I'm really looking forward to seeing your screencast. To start out though, I ask you to make sure in week 1, so that we get to know each other a little bit better, if you could follow that introduce yourself link from our Moodle course. It's right in week 1, and go down and reply to the thread and create an introduction to yourself. Tell us a little bit about what library you're from, why you're interested in screencasting, and any other information that will just help us get to know you better. So that's it. That's a short introduction in a screencast format. Looking forward to the next 4 weeks. Thanks. Bye. See you soon.